Hi guys, so I just purchased and unboxed my new 20 volt cordless dry hand vac, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I went for a dump run and I made a little mess in the back seat on the carpet, and so I tried it on half of it and it worked pretty good. And it comes with a whole bunch of different brushes, the extension hose, a flexible extension hose, crevice tool. I have the little round brush already connected, so I'm gonna just show you quickly the noise level and the performance. So it also has a HEPA filter. I heard from other reviewers that it gets dirty pretty fast. We'll have to see about that. When you turn it on, it has a little light, and here we go. Oh, and here, see, I did half of it over there, and here's the rest of my mess here. So I still have to do little details around, but it has quite a bit of suction. I don't think it's too loud. It's pretty much average to what other vacuums are like, I believe. I really love my cordless tools, and yeah, I recommend it to anybody. It's perfect for me for just little jobs I do in the garage and clean my car out, and absolutely love it.
Hi there, here we have the DCV501HB DEWALT 20V vacuum. It does not come with a battery or extra HEPA filters, but I would highly suggest getting both of those. The battery packs are DCV501H and the HEPA filters are DCV501H. This is a great addition to your DEWALT household. Definitely order the filters. They're a cheap investment to make sure that when you are cleaning, everything is staying clean. I use it in the car, on the deck, the carpet, laminate, vinyl, and concrete floors. There's lots of attachments. I highly recommend.